Hello guys! So today I'm going to be showing you a video of tips and tricks that I use to clean my room. Ellie and I just got back from our spring break trip to Arizona and we thought that our room would be really clean when we came back, but then we remembered that the night before we left while we were packing, it was a total panic moment. It was like 11 o'clock and we hadn't packed anything and we were leaving early the next morning, so our room was a total mess when we came back and we were like, oh yeah, now we remember that. So unfortunately the clips that you are about to see of our room are not made for this video. They are actually what happened to our room, so oops. But with having such a big room and 3 to 2 people living in it, things do get really messy, and so we've gradually come along with some tips on how to clean your room a lot faster. Let's just get into it. So it can be very overwhelming when you start cleaning such a messy room, so I like to split it into smaller sections, and the first thing I do in each area is quickly look and see what is the majority of the problem in that space and take care of that first. So usually for me it's clothes or school stuff like worksheets and notebooks laying around, but today it was definitely clothes. So I just started sorting all the clothes into piles of clean and dirty so I could go and wash the dirty clothes and then put away the clean ones. And when I'm putting away clean clothes, I found it goes a lot faster if you just sort into different piles. So I made a pile of clothes I needed to hang up, and then I made a pile of my t-shirts and Ellie's t-shirts, and then I think I made a pile of like sweaters. So once I put away all the clothes, I moved back to my area of the room, and since it was still really messy, I decided to clean up everything off the floor and then move on to everything on my desk. And this whole time I was making different piles in the room of things that went in the bathroom, a pile of things that go in my closet, and a pile of trash, and then a pile of things to go downstairs, which just makes it go a lot faster because you don't have to make all these trips back and forth. So I continued using the same strategy that I had shown before and cleaned up the rest of my room just in smaller sections. And once I'd finished picking everything up, it was time to clean. And so to clean, I usually just wipe down the counters, clean off the mirrors and windows, and vacuum.